You ready? Come on, start it. You ready? Handbrake. It doesn't do anything. I feel let down.
Is that full throttle? I feel let down too.
Man, we were talked up all day. Like, we need that turbocharger. Alright, so instructions. That's backwards.
This brake works, right?
Ish. Barely. Alright. This is your gas. Let off the brakes. You gotta give it more. Okay, so I got a couple ideas but I'm gonna look them up. So I was looking at the way the gear shifter is on there, and it's got a bump stop, and I think we can notch the bump stop out to give it more forward momentum, maybe. Cause it.
You know the throttle thing?
Yeah.
So why don't we not make it where it is?
I was also gonna see what the max RPM is, see if we can take the governor out like we did the Alright, so instructions. That's backwards.
This brake works, right?
Ish. Barely. Alright. This is your gas. Let off the brakes. Yeah, you get.
It's locked up. Now I'm on the real brake.
Are you really? Oh shit, you are on the brake. Alright, kill it. No, it's burning tires. It's literally burnt. There's a line of tread from there all the way here.